Shalom Aleichem. We're learning the Sicha of Chukas Gimel, and it's based on three different farbrengens that we had. One was on Motzei Shabbos, Parshas Matas Masei. One was Shabbos Dvarim, and one was Tu B'Av. So I'm just going to share what the Rebbe spoke about on the farbrengen of Shabbos Parshas Dvarim, after he shared similar ideas the same ideas that we learned in the Sicha. So the Rebbe spoke about like this. What we spoke about in the Sicha is connected what it says in the other. So my father, I think that Anane HaKavod seine verbunden mit Netzach. They're connected with Netzach. And we see an incredible thing. Why the general thing that the Anane HaKavod left is in of Yidid, it's going down, because the removal of Anane HaKavod was connected with the passing of Tzaddikim. And we know that the passing of tzaddikim is equal to Seifas Beis Elikein. But nevertheless, the kavanah of the Yerida is that there should be an incredible aliyah. And that's connected to Netzach. We know that it's mavur in the Maimarim Abasi Lagani that the general idea of Milchama is connected with Netzach. It's a big theme in the Maimarim Abasi Lagani. L'cher, it's not understood. How can it be that a great king needs to go for a war and have to have the pain of war? A war is something when there's a menagid. How is it possible that such a great king should have something that they have to fight against and they have to waste all their oitzadas? Obviously, we're asking about Hashem. And the beard is because the Yidid of us is done, when the falling, the downgrade, when there's an opposition that you have to fight, is the cause, the outcome of it is aliyah. And that activates the Netzachim by the king, and that is Midas HaNetzach. And that's why it says over there that what the Gemara says, that as devas mi beidina shakluglim elizmar zamar v'lechel b'urcha, that somebody whose coat was taken away from them, and that's, in other words, they went to Beis Din, etc. Lizmar zamar, they should sing. Why? Because he listened to Torah, and by listening to Torah, he did what he needs to be done. He went to the journey, they took away his garment. Why? Because the kavanah of the Yedida is aliyah. So too, the removal of Anane HaKavod was for a great aliyah, because after death of Aaron, they were able to get closer to Eretz Yisrael. And therefore, the Rebbe says, therefore, even while we're in Galus, we could already be Lizmar Zemer, we could already start singing, because we know Mashiach is going to come. And Aaron and Moshe are going to be, like the Gemara says, together with Anane HaKavod, which are connected to Aaron. And we're going to see the light that came from the darkness. So we're going to thank Hashem for everything we need. And we even, with that, everything we went through, including the fact that we went through Galus, we're going to thank Hashem for Galus.